To wear tino, the kara, you actually have to know why you're doing it. Why have you got it on? Not because it looks good on your denim jacket. So I've only ever wanted to be an artist, ever. And mahi toi sounds better, because everybody wants, you can go to the warehouse, get a cheap canvas, ta-da, I'm like, yeah, but we don't do that. We were inspired by our brothers and sisters from Australia, and around in 1974 when they designed their kara to represent their people and their dreams and their aspirations and their struggles. And it came about by a collective. It wasn't by just 3 artists. Hiraina Marsden came up with a doodle, did the rounds, everyone kind of added their bit in, and I just finished it. So in 1990 it flew for the first time. I hate it that it's trendy. Loses its wairua, you know what I mean? Back when we were the only ones wearing it, we would get treated really badly. We would, our own people, even my own people. I sat at One Love and I couldn't get over how proud everyone was to rock it. Or even tauiwi are wanting to rock it in support, which is, that's awesome too.
To recognise the partnership the Crown and Māori entered into when they signed the Treaty of Waitangi.
I've sat behind people who've talked about it. I think you need to go back to the marae, you need to go talk to your people and learn the history of the kara. Young ones need to know more about it, they need to learn the tikanga, they need to know the laughter and tears that are embedded in the kara. You have to understand Māori resistance. I've worn it for so long, but I don't need to wear it. People go, oh, you got a flag? I say, I am the flag.